Kwame Asare Obia Chese Dudona Dinim no ene Kwame A-plus and I say A-plus and then Sema Beto Abansia abusuafo ano ahyi papa chese enya asem gua ye nanim se ode ne ho akobo NDC amani ko no for cover se bibia ni obeye bia NDC amani ko no betwitwa agye no na abeto abonte se BNI investigate ewo Kwame A-plus ne campaign ase na so chese ebitimi ama ne ho akye ne efa ghost name and double salary since my BNI national security investigate na Kwame A-plus de abeto abonti se ono se anyine anase be a national security etimi investigate ono expose o de ba abeto abonti fa ndisi amani ko no enyo nya asem piso a anyine ensem obetima aka fa anyine hu no enya asem ene ndisi gurus no enyoma corruption mo ye o man Ghana mu ase no oba be expose o mo so nyina chese enya asem piso a mommi nkoti ensen mo nchemu I ain't cassette message or subscribe to my channel. Like it, therefore I drink a good comment section. Come.
Now the questions that came up look like this. Okay, so they invited A-plus to come and talk about national service, the national service scandal. There's wide rumor now, and I should have gotten the video for you. When the Attorney General, Dominic Ayeni, said that there is an MP who is who had apparently, as it had, been paid to manage the national service, what at that time was beginning to brew as a scandal. When the Honorable Attorney General said that there was some MP, the rumor, which is now gaining grounds, is that that MP in reference was Kwame A-plus. This is the rumor. Now, it is also further alleged that this is the basis on which the National National Intelligence Bureau, yes, the National Intelligence, sorry, just so Kwame, that's where the problem comes from. The National Intelligence Bureau, it was on this basis that the National Intelligence Bureau invited Kwame A-plus. Now, viewers, I wish we were houseflies on the wall that day from what we are hearing, or that there's some camera to produce what happened there. My goodness, the story is that Kwame A-plus showed up with pomp, circumstance, and brutishness. He sat down and told the people, apparently they asked him one question related to national. He told them that, look, if you guys don't know, and you ask me questions, the kind of names that I will mention in this thing you are talking about, a scandal, you will run away. The story continues that he went on to mention some of the names. And some of the names that the National Intelligence Bureau officials had caused them to pause. Because Kwame A-plus dropped heavy names and names of powerful people in the system. That's how we decided we will tell you the story. Powerful people in the system. And A-plus threatened that if they don't know and they come and ask him questions, in his effort to answer the questions, the kinds of things he will say, the whole country will come down. He added, the whole party will come down. I don't know which party. He said, the whole party will come down. I don't know which party he was referring to, but this is the story we have been told. He said the whole party will come down if they don't know and they ask him questions about this national service things. If they don't stop the things he will say. One of the names that they said he mentioned was the Attorney General Dominic Ayeni. That one we can say, because subsequent to that, he has come out to release a publication in which he is talking about Dominic Ayeni and threatening him with all sorts of innuendos, as it were. But he is reported to have mentioned to the National Investigations Bureau that if they joke with him on this national service, that somebody has collected money, that some MP has collected money, if they joke with that story and they come and ask him some questions, the answers that he will give them, they will vanish from that place and the whole party will come down. I don't know which party. Over Kwame. Now, as I say, the crown, I say, And now Kwame is saying, I like his glasses, fine boy. So subsequent to that, Kwame A-plus came out to cast innuendos against the Attorney General. And I said here the last time that this is the only Attorney General about whom such spurious, is this spurious the word? No, about whom such grave allegations have been made. And we are waiting to see what happens. We don't know whether there's some behind the scenes talking. We expect that there will be some of that. But whatever there is, if there's a behind the scenes, it should not cover up any offense that has been committed against the public purse. Nor should it cover up any offense that has been committed against the people of Ghana relating to money that belongs to the people of Ghana. We hope that there will be no behind the scenes conversation that will eventually cover up, because a lot of these times we hear somebody says, if you dare me, if you don't know, I will say that. And I wonder why they don't say it, whether they don't have love for country or what, but we hear a lot of that. If you dare me, you see what I'll say. If you have something to say, please tell us. If there's something that will aid national development, tell us. But these things they do, if you look at social media, there's a lot of that.